the lift at 20 Queen Street. Oh no, it's... I knew the address, but it's somewhere... in the city. Look at that, rare buttons. Kind of. Wow, very fast. Huh. That's for cargo. That's if they want to store like a something like a coffin or something in there. No working indicator. Oh no, there is a working indicator. There's lights. They get stuck up here. Good. That overground was locked.
Panel locked. Show access card. Choose floor by pressing again. Elevator G to floor G.
Elevator G to floor G. This one, look, there's the old EPL doors. Actually, I think it's EPL, I'm not sure. Well, actually, it kind of looks like Otis doors. I can't tell fully yet. Nice cone chime. Look at that. Gee. These buttons, I've never seen them before. I'm gonna take some photos. Wow, they're very fast. 2016 modernisation? Says. Very nice.